Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to clear clipboard history in Windows 11. Clipboard history allows Windows to store multiple items that you copy, such as text or images, so you can paste them later. However, if you want to remove copied items for privacy or simply clean the clipboard, you can clear the clipboard history in just few clicks. So let's get started. First, click on the start button and then select settings. Alternatively, you can press Windows plus I key on the keyboard to open this one settings page. After that, select system in the left sidebar. On the right sidebar, scroll down to the clipboard and click on this one option. Here you can turn off clipboard history completely, and to erase all clipboard data beside the clear clipboard data, click on the clear button. This will erase everything from your Windows 11 PC. In case you have copied some of the clipboards or you want to clear a specific clipboard from your clipboard history, you can open this one clipboard history by pressing Windows and V keys on the keyboard. Here you will see all the copied clipboard items. Click on this one three dot beside the clipboard item you want to remove, and then click on the delete button. This will remove particular clipboard history from your Windows 11 PC. That's it. This is how you can clear clipboard history in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more helpful Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.